A confirmed tornado touched down in Saint-Adolphe-d'Howard, Quebec on Saturday evening as severe thunderstorms rolled over the Laurentians. Several structures sustained heavy damage as a result of the strong winds, and trees were snapped or uprooted as the tornado swung through the community. The storm also brought intense hail up to 5 centimeters in diameter, and wind gusts in other areas of Quebec were recorded at 96 kilometers per hour, damaging more structures north of the St. Lawrence. Environment and Climate Change Canada, as well as the Northern Tornadoes Project, will be on scene to assess the damage and determine an EF rating.